In this video, we will see how to fix computer shutdown while restarting on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you try to restart your system but your computer shut down without restarting, then here are the fixes. And the first one is right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to scroll down and click on Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of such type of hindrance appeared on your system. Thereafter scroll down and click on advanced options. Here scroll down and choose optional updates, and if any optional updates available, simply download and install it in your system. The second workaround is close the settings windows and go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. In device manager windows, look for any faulty driver available having yellow color exclamation sign against it. Expand it and right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. You may apply this process for all your faulty driver, as well as you can apply this process for all your device driver. Update your device driver. The next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open as administrator mode. Here after blinking cursor, execute these three DISM tool as shown on screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three DISM tools one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. Simply type after blinking cursor sfc/scan now and press enter and let the window complete the scanning process. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system and your issues of computer shutdown without